Top 10 Drug Rehabs in Lubbock. To make it easier for everyone seeking rehabs around Lubbock, we compiled the top 10 addiction rehabs that provide the best rehab and treatment services for all sorts of addiction. As an independent resource, we assure that each rehabilitation center listed is top-notch and offers comprehensive treatment services for people. Number 10, Lubbock Lighthouse. They offer you the chance to receive treatment and embrace recovery with the least amount of disruption to your life as a licensed outpatient treatment program. From the moment you arrive until you leave, your treatment is tailored to your specific needs, ensuring that you receive the medical and psychological care you require. As a consequence, you'll be able to continue to get help from your friends and family. Their staff consists of professionals trained in the treatment of addiction. Number 9 is Stages, the Door Sober Living. At Stages of Recovery, they cultivate an atmosphere of healing that encourages individuals to overcome addiction and create brighter futures. Their mission is to assist clients in achieving long-term sobriety so they may live a life they deserve to have. They offer long-term care at an affordable cost. Young adults can develop into productive members of society at a healthy, sustainable pace in a supportive, collegial environment through inexpensive treatment programs spanning 90 days to 2 years. Number 8 is the Ranch at Dovetree, Recovery Resiliency for Life. They are the institution of choice in West Texas and one of the nation's leaders in treating drug use problems. The Ranch at Dovetree was established in 2002 and has received the Joint Commission's Gold Seal of Approval. Their passion is to provide experienced professional alcohol and drug addiction treatment in a loving and caring atmosphere. You will receive highly personalized therapy for your drug use problems in collaboration with your professional team. Number 7 is Aspire, Fire Sky Ranch Addiction Healing Center for Men. They have over 100 years of experience in the addiction treatment field. They constantly upgrade their clinical care to provide the best therapy for their clients. Their treatment approach differs from that of the others. They also give the highest quality treatment services at the most affordable price. Their prices are lower, and they offer partial scholarships to 95% of their consumers. Number 6 is the Garrison Geriatric Education and Care Center. Their therapeutic method is genuinely cutting edge, and they only hire the best therapists, equipment, and services. Their treatment space is spacious and bright with plenty of natural light. They create a therapy plan designed to get you up, moving, and functioning at your best. Their objective is to help you get back into the swing of things, and they use a combination of high-tech and good old-fashioned hands-on therapy techniques to help you recover successfully. Number 5 is Star Care Specialty Health System. They serve adults, children, and adolescents with mental illness, intellectual impairments, and drug use disorders. They aim to offer people access to various healthcare services, supporting and empowering them as valued community members. Number 4 is South Plains Rehabilitation Hospital. South Plains Rehabilitation Hospital, a UMC and Encompass Health affiliate, dedicate themselves to assisting you towards recovery. They are a premier provider of inpatient rehabilitation for stroke, brain damage, and other severe neurological and orthopedic disorders. They create a tailored care plan based on clinical teamwork and modern technology to address your specific requirements and help you accomplish your objectives. Number 3 is Lubbock Sports Rehab. Sports medicine is their specialty. Their cutting-edge technology and world-class specialists will guide you through every stage of your rehabilitation. Their team of specialists provides expert orthopedic treatment for your well-being, so you can be sure that you will receive the best possible care. At Lubbock Sports Medicine and Lubbock Sports Rehab, you'll see the difference. Number 2 is Plainview Serenity Center, Inc. They aim to provide drug abuse treatment and an environment for addicted or dually diagnosed individuals. They help individuals to stay motivated and choose recovery. The Recovery Solutions program will assist people in achieving independence and recovering from drug addiction. Individual and group therapy sessions, life skills focus groups, and family education is part of their treatment programs. They give patients job placement and introduce them to community resources such as 12-step groups. Number 1 is Ranch at Dovetree. The Ranch at Dovetree is a drug addiction treatment clinic that offers residential and intensive outpatient programs. They seek to provide patients a sense of success and to assist them in developing the necessary skills for long-term rehabilitation. Clients can move on to the Transitional Living Program after finishing residential treatment at Ranch at Dovetree. In this case, they will continue to receive assistance while living in a sober community. Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.